In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows 10 and 11 so you can capture an entire full page. Sometimes a normal screenshot just isn't enough. Maybe you're trying to save a long web article, a chat conversation, a settings page, or a receipt that doesn't fit on your screen all at once. Instead of taking multiple screenshots and stitching them together, a scrolling screenshot lets you capture the entire page in one clean image as you scroll down. On Windows 10 and 11, the built-in snipping tool can't natively capture scrolling screenshots yet, so you'll need to use a third-party tool. There are several good options out there, and most of them work in a very similar way. So once you learn the process, you can apply it to whichever tool you prefer. First, open the page or window you want to capture. This might be your web browser, a document, or an app with content that extends beyond the visible screen. Make sure it's sized the way you want it. If you can, maximize the window so you capture as much width as possible. Also, scroll back to the very top of the page so the starting point of your screenshot is correct. Next, open your chosen scrolling screenshot tool. Most of these tools sit in the taskbar or system tray, or you can open them from the Start menu. Look for an option called something like Scrolling Capture, Full Page, or Capture Scrolling Window. Select that option before you start. Now click on the window or the specific area you want to capture. As soon as you do that, the tool will usually prompt you to scroll. Slowly scroll down the page from top to bottom, keeping a steady pace. The software will take multiple small screenshots as you move, then automatically stitch them into one long image. Try not to pause too long or jump around while scrolling, because that can cause overlaps or gaps in the final image. When you reach the very bottom of the content, stop scrolling and confirm the capture. The tool will then process everything and show you a preview of the full-page screenshot. Take a moment to review it. Make sure the top and bottom are included, and check that nothing looks duplicated or cut off. From here, you can crop out anything you don't need, highlight important sections, or blur sensitive details before sharing. Finally, save the image to a folder you'll remember, using a clear file name so you can find it easily later.